Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto between exchanges without losing network. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer between exchanges. Check the wallet address of the destination exchange. Log into the exchange where your cryptocurrency is currently held. Go to your wallet section and find the specific cryptocurrency. Choose the option to withdraw or send your cryptocurrency. Paste the wallet address of the destination exchange into the sender address field. Double-check the wallet address to ensure it is correct. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Review the network fee associated with the transfer. Choose the appropriate network if the option is available. Confirm the transaction details before proceeding. Take note of the transaction ID for reference. Submit the withdrawal request. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Monitor the status of the transfer on both exchanges. Once the transfer is completed, check your wallet on the destination exchange. If there are any delays, investigate the transaction using the transaction ID. Verify that the sent amount is reflected accurately in your destination account. Always ensure you follow up on the transaction to confirm its successful completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.